How to check your blocked numbers on iPhone? Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to go ahead and open settings on your phone. Here you need to scroll down to the bottom and then you want to tap on phone. Here you want to scroll down a little bit and then tap on blocked contacts. Here you will see all the blocked contacts that you have blocked before. You can also add new. Now you need to go back to the home page of the settings and then you want to tap on messages. Here scroll down again and then you want to tap on block contacts. Here you will also be able to see your block numbers on iPhone. You can also add them. Now you want to go back to the home page of settings again and then tap on FaceTime. Here you need to scroll down to the very bottom and then you want to tap on blocked contacts. You can add new contacts and you'll be able to check your block numbers on iPhone like this. And this is how you can do it. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.